How do I find the list of available functions in Google Sheets? Do you ever wonder what is possible in Google Sheets? Critical to any spreadsheet software is the number of functions to do calculations from simple to complex. To find the full list of productivity improving functions in Google Sheets, simply click Help at the top of your screen and click Function List into the search bar. This will pull up the complete list of functions from Google organized by categories like math, text, and logical. Use the search box to focus your selection or browse the whole list. This resource not only lists the functions, but also explains what each one does and provides the syntax to show how to use them, which is perfect for learning new formulas. Let's check out a simple one and search for a function to add numbers together. Let's put in a common word for adding numbers. Add. Here you can see the first two are related to addresses, but the third option is add. Reading here, the add function returns the sum of two numbers, equivalent to the plus operator, but it is very limited. If you didn't read this properly, you wouldn't know that this function can really only add two numbers. What you really want is the more powerful sum function. Let's type sum in filter and you'll get about 2 pages of results. But if you scroll down, you will notice sum will return the sum of a series of numbers and/or cells, and this function has a lot more versatility. To continue learning Google Sheets, dive into general navigation tips or dig into functions with one of these 2 videos next.